Hey everybody, wanted to welcome you to BIA 6302 Data Visualization. So I'll be your tour guide, Dave Lingerfelt. I call myself your tour guide because this is an online class. I'm going to lead you on a journey that is somewhat of self-discovery, but I'll be here every step along the way to be sure that you are all successful in our mission here. So data visualization, if you're unfamiliar, is a class where we focus on taking that mountain of data that is everywhere around us. It's at our fingertips, it's constantly being shoved at us, and using that data to tell a meaningful story. Now, what's exciting about this is, this is honestly fairly new. This did not exist when I started in the industry. In fact, it was about 12 years ago. The boss came to me and said, hey, how do you feel about learning some of this stuff and teaching a class on it? And as we say, the rest is history. So I was kind of one of the pioneers that sat in a room with about 10 other people at the vendor learning how to use this software. And fast forward to today, I use this for a lot of my research. I consult with various people on this sort of thing, and it has become incredibly popular. And you see large organizations have entire departments and especially a lot of positions in this position of visualization analyst, data storyteller. You can kind of take it up a level. It's a critical role for a data scientist to have as well. So it has been a lot of fun. My experience in this typically focuses on healthcare just because that's my background in industry. So you will see that some of the examples I share in class are going to have that healthcare specific to it. But that said, this stuff applies everywhere. So just because I might not mention your specific industry doesn't mean it's not something that leverages data visualization. So again, this is a class that I have taught since inception. So over a decade now. If you have trouble with insomnia, I'd be happy to send you any of my research papers I've written on this, but otherwise you probably really don't care, and that is perfectly okay. So I look forward to working with all of you. I am a full-time professor at Rockhurst, and I know social norms dictate that, at this point, this is when the professor stands there and monologues about my bachelor's is at blah blah blah, my master's is at blah blah blah, my doctorate is blah blah blah. Yeah, if you care, you can Google me and find all that stuff out. But otherwise, just know this is my passion. This is what I enjoy doing, and my other passion is seeing students be successful. So I'm very much looking forward to working with all of you this semester. I will be dropping in from time to time on video like this. It'll always be recorded ahead of time. There won't be a requirement where you have to log on at a set time. That said, fair warning, ever since the pandemic, my cat, the evil Prince of Darkness, will occasionally make appearances on some of our sessions, so all good there. So other than that, if there's anything I can do to make your journey in this class successful, by all means, don't hesitate to reach out. You'll find my contact information in the syllabus, but I look forward to working with all of you. Thanks.